Pinchuangli V8 Pro curved screen integrated machine. The cabin is equipped with a laminating rubber pad. Straight screen mobile screen can be placed directly above for laminate. Oversize, support various pad laminate. When laminating the curved screen, take out the built-in rubber pad. Use special curved screen rubber pad. Place the aligned screen and rubber pad. Put them together in the laminating cabin. Close the upper cover of the laminating cabin. Choose a curved screen laminate mode. Press the start key in the screen. Can be laminated. After laminating, remove screen. Close the upper cover of the laminating cabin. Put the screen in the curing box. Press the curing start key to cure.